Is now the right time to buy or sell C4 Therapeutics stock? In today's video, we'll be taking a deep dive into C4 Therapeutics. We initially released a report on our website on Thursday, December 14, 2023. And now, we're excited to bring you an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any significant updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Unlock the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 12, 2023, our system has ranked C4 Therapeutics as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.88. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, C4 Therapeutics has outperformed with an impressive gain of 114.1% since we first recommended buying it just 3 days ago. This translates to an average return of 38.03% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $5.51, it could indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 2.76% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible returns range from -75.65% to 13.07%. In the 12-month trend, there is a projected -49.35% change over the next year. The potential returns range from -91.16% to -44.51%. This means that after a year, the stock could be priced between $0.443 and $2.78. Our latest update for C4 Therapeutics brings exciting news. The stock price experienced significant movements on Thursday, with a 68.69% fluctuation between its highest and lowest points. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, the C4 Therapeutics stock price fell by 9.07%, dropping from $5.51 to $5.01. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a notable range, reaching a low of $4.95 and a high of $8.35. Although the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it has still increased by an impressive 207.36% over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the decrease in volume alongside the stock is actually a positive sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 60 million shares, with a total of 161 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $805.88 million. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we see that the highest price reached was $9.41, while the lowest price was $1.06. Currently, the price is 46.76% or $4.40 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 90.22% or $46.20 below the all-time high, which occurred on September 23, 2021, when the price reached $51.21. Today, we're going to talk about analyst ratings for CCCC. Let's start with the most recent rating. On Wednesday, December 13, 2023, Piper Sandler upgraded their rating for CCCC to a buy grade. Moving on to another rating, on Friday, February 24, 2023, Credit Suisse also upgraded their rating for CCCC. However, they gave it a neutral grade. Now, let's go back to earlier in the year. On Tuesday, January 3, 2023, Wells Fargo gave CCCC an equal weight grade. They decided to hold on to their position. Finally, on Thursday, April 28, 2022, Credit Suisse initially gave CCCC an underperform grade. This was a significant downgrade for the company. Analysts have given C4 Therapeutics stock a general neutral rating. They rate the PE ratio as a buy and the price to book as a buy as well. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Today, we will be discussing the signals identified for C4 Therapeutics. The stock of C4 Therapeutics Inc. has shown positive indicators from both short and long-term moving averages, which is a promising sign for its future performance. In addition, the relationship between these two signals suggests a general buy recommendation, as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a correction and moves downwards, it is likely to find support at the price levels of $2.54 and $1.80. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. Another positive signal comes from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, which also indicates a buy recommendation. However, there have been some negative signals that could potentially impact the stock's short-term development. For instance, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 13, 2023, resulting in a decline of -9.07% so far. It is expected that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is identified. It is worth noting that the volume of trading has decreased along with the price during the last trading day. This reduction in volume reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence has given a buy signal. The pivots indicator generated a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicator indicated a buy signal 83 days ago. The short-term moving average has given a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average has given a buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 3 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we can observe the following signals. The short moving average gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 75 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for C4 Therapeutics. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if the right conditions arise, the stock may perform poorly in the next couple of days. It's important to note that this stock is considered to be very high risk due to its high volatility and wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. In fact, during the last trading day, the stock had a significant price movement with a range of $3.40 between its high and low, representing a 68.69% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 48.74%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for C4 Therapeutics, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could indicate insufficient profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $0.640. These figures can have a significant impact on stock prices, so it's important to keep an eye on them. Today, we'll be discussing some important day trading levels for C4 Therapeutics. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $5.51. If you don't already own any shares, it may be wise to wait for the stock to break through this level before considering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. It's important to note that there is no significant support from accumulated volume below the current price. This means that under certain conditions, the stock could potentially experience a sharp drop. If you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations, proceed with caution and consider placing bets accordingly. The average rating for C4 Therapeutics, as determined by multiple analyst sources, is neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 16, 2023, Hughes Owen made an insider buy of 52,000 shares of stock option, right to buy. On November 16, 2023, Hughes Owen made an insider buy of 0 shares. On October 2, 2023, Anderson Kenneth Carl made an insider buy of 6,617 shares of common stock. On October 2, 2023, Dubin Glenn made an insider buy of 6,470 shares of common stock. On October 2, 2023, Grogan Donna Roy made an insider buy of 8,089 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is positive with a ratio of 92.273. In total, insiders have purchased 3,153,827 shares and sold 72,730 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $4.74, which is a decrease of 5.4%. This particular stock experiences significant daily price fluctuations, which comes with a higher level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is at 80, further increasing the risk associated with this stock. Furthermore, we have observed a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is C4 Therapeutics stock a good buy? While C4 Therapeutics Inc. shows some positive signals, we believe it is not enough to consider it a buy candidate. Instead, it should be seen as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, at its current level, while we await further development. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, December 15th, we anticipate C4 Therapeutics to open up by $1.09 and commence trading at $6.10. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to let us know if you agree or disagree in the comments section below. We're also interested in hearing your target for the stock. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.